This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Greg Horvath. Welcome home to Pinehurst Village. The maintenance-free 55-plus community is in the heart of Dunedin. This 654 square foot 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom villa has a spacious floor plan. Over the years the owner has added some nice touches. Tile has been added throughout the living room, dining room and den. Interior accordion doors have been installed for privacy. This unit also comes with an assigned parking spot under the carport. Guest parking for visitors are also available. Pinehurst Village offers a heated pool, EV charging stations, social activities, shuffleboard, a community park with gas grills and picnic tables. Pinehurst Village is located close to all that Dunedin has to offer. Starting with the cute downtown, Dunedin Marina and Dunedin Fine Arts Center, DFAC. You're only a few miles to the Dunedin Causeway and Honeymoon Island State Park. Pinehurst Village is waiting for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg Horvath at 813-477-5332.